How to fix battery not charging on laptop on Windows 11. Hey everyone, let's get started. For the first solution, you have to right-click on your Start button and go to the Task Manager. Once the new tab is open, you have to click on Run New Task. Now you have to click on Browse, go to this PC, click on Windows and search for Windows 32. Open the folder and then you have to search for this file name called as cmd.exe. Click on it and click on Open. Now you have to tick on Create the task with administrative settings and it will open the command prompt. Now you have to give these two commands on that. The first one is power cfg space /hibernate on and then you have to exit it. Once this is done, you can open services from the type here to search. You have to go on Windows Update, go to its properties and this will open a new tab. Hereby on the startup type, click on automatic and click on OK and you can close it. For the third solution, open Task Manager, right click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart. After this, you might have to wait for some minutes because it will take some time. Once this is done, again you have to go to this Device Manager. Thereby, you will see the option of batteries. Open it and then you will see the adapter. Right click on it and then update driver. You can either choose the manual option or the automatic one. So this is it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.